could you be the one? Shh. Good, good.
Look at your
Hello guys and good evening. So for today's video, I'm here in Salmiya. You know what guys, that I am stranded in Philippines for 10 months. So now I am off here because it's my day off for today. That's why nakagala din for how many months. And I miss this place, a lot of memories. Sa 4 years ko dito, parang dito talaga yung yung buhay ko. Old souk and bahay. So it's you know, parang the memories bumabalik. Ito na yung itsura. Oh, nakakagulat naman. Dati-rati dito kami kumakain. Dati-rati ang saya-saya namin dito. Ngayon mag-isa na lang naglalakad, pero meron akong mga kaibigan. Ayan sila. Hi to my vlog guys.
Hello.
This is Rafa Toto Ladesma. Like and subscribe. And of course, ang lagi kong kasama sa video, Joem Cariaga. Like and subscribe. So guys, I was so shocked after how many months. Akala ko hindi na ako tutungtong dito, pero hindi pala.
Hello.
I was wrong when I hurt you.
Okay, here we go. I will just
revenge will make it better. I don't care about the past. I just want a love to last. There's a way to bring us back together. I must forgive you.
Ito naman si Rafa. Dito talaga to. So ako, talagang 10 months. Ngayon lang ulit ako nagtumungtong dito. Dati Baluarte ko to. And nakakamiss din. Kasi ito na siya. Dito kami ang saya-saya namin. Naalala ko dati, magkahawak kamay kami dito. Lalakad. Ngayon, wala na. So, yan muna guys. Okay? Kasi so ngayon, nakakit kami dito sa may restaurant. Ito siya. Ang daming mga hugot na lines. Salamat po kuya ate. Ito. Kita nyo yan. Corned beef. Sa taas po may langit, pagbaba mo heavy. Ang daming mga dito. Katabi ko'y mamaw. Ang gwapo naman dito.
Magpansit na lang tayo. Busan na lang kami, mag-alis lang kami. Sa'yo, ito.
Tilang.
Ikaw, ano lang? Kontak mo.
So, ayun guys, we're here sa Makulay Resto. Parang magkakape lang kasi kanina kumain na kami dun sa bahay ni Nadjo. We ate salmon sinigang. And masarap siya kasi ang daming gulay, so naubos. So, what are you having? That is tea with milk. How about you, Rafa?
Tsaa.
How about you, Rafa? Rafa, what are you having?
I have tea with milk.
Okay, for me, tea lang. I don't want milk. I don't want also sugar because sobrang busog na ako kanina. So, okay naman. Rap.
Ito na ba yan?
Yes po. Ang ganda dito ng ng mga salita kasi may mga hugot. Ayan oh. Anong ulam ka? Kare-kare. Karingking ka kasi. Bagoong. Tas ayun. Kung adobo siya, sinigang ako, may asim pa na masabaw. Tilapia. Iniwan mo ako noon. Maglaway ka ngayon. So, parang puro hugot-hugot lang. Ayun, tapos meron sila ditong video, okay, parang reviews na rin. I think meron silang buffet every Friday kasi meron silang buffet section doon. Ayun. Tapos ang ganda ng mga mga pagka-paint ng So, ayun, siguro ko kakanta ako mamaya pag nalasing ako sa tea. Bye-bye.
God is great. God is good. What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger on a path, trying to make his way home. God of faith, what would it look like and would you want to see? If seeing meant that you would have to believe in things like heaven and Jesus and the saints and all the prophets. God is great. God is good. What if God was one of us?